So just think about that, right? If we're talking about life design today, I want you to put your name in the middle of your page, and I want you to decide what is your life design. You guys decided to become realtors for a reason. You wanted flexibility, you didn't want a boss, you wanted to be able to do what you wanted, and you wanted to go on vacation whenever you wanted. These are some of the number one reasons why I hear, and God knows I've met a lot of brokers, is one of the main reasons why they become real estate brokers. Because they want the flexibility, they want unlimited potential of money, unlimited amount of money. That's what attracted you to this job. The flexibility, the no boss. Hey, I can stay in bed if I want. But those are all the reasons why this is the type of job that can be very dangerous for people that want this type of lifestyle. Aha. So her purpose, guys, is very powerful, because this is the purpose of the reason why we do the things we do, right? Emily decided that now her purpose is to be able to make enough money to be able to put aside to be able to retire. Her conviction was, I'm going to prove to you your blah, 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 that I'm going to be able to sell just as many homes, if not more than you.
Exactly.
She made that decision that she was going to kick his ass. Now what's happened though?
Yeah,
You've kicked.
that is the hard part.
That's it. She kicked his ass. Okay.
Like,
So now check mark.
yeah, check.
Now what's our purpose? What are the presuppositions in the words that she's saying, guys? Because if you're able to actively listen to what she's saying and understand what she's saying, when you talk to yourself, you will understand what yourself is saying to yourself. The first thing she did, the first thing that motivated me was me wanting to kick the shit out of my ex's numbers, and I did great. How do we realign back to what we want?
You set yourself another goal.
Okay, but how do we know we're aligned to that goal? And how do we know that's what we're really going out to do every day? And so this is my point. Guys, you know when you have this idea in the future and you're like, this is far, far away.
Well, it's not that far away. It's not that far away.
Remember what I told you guys? You overestimate what you can do in a year, but you underestimate what you can do in 5.
Yeah.
You guys in 10 years can have financial freedom.
Absolutely.
You can. You can. You just have to make that decision that every single activity you do today, I call it the golden thread of activity.
Okay.
What I do today, right now, affects the person I'm going to be in 10 years. So it all comes down to your decision making. It all comes down to your life design today. So when I ask you, what is your life design? It's got to go all the way to the golden thread of what you see your retirement as. If Emily wants to be 6 months out of the year in Mexico, she better start looking now where in Mexico she's going to be going. She better start looking now. If she knows that that's what she wants to be in 10 years, she better buy a place today. Because if she buys a place today, guess what? The value is going to go up no matter what in 10 years. And she's going to be the smartest person on that Mexican block. Right? Again, what is your reason? What is your purpose? And why do you do it? And what are you doing now to be able to get there? And it has to be clear. Imagine if your purpose was on your forehead and everybody reminded you of it every day.
Powerful.
And made a conversation with you every day. Hey, were you able to be able to do X, Y, Z? Well, how do you know that? It's written on your forehead.
How do you know that?
I want it to be that clear, that it part of your everyday. Part of your everyday. So now she knows she needs to put $50,000 aside for the next 5 years, okay? Then she needs to calculate how much she needs to be able to live. Then she needs to be able to say, okay, what frou-frou money do I want on the side? I call it frou-frou money, right? I can go on vacation, I can buy a pair of boots, frou-frou money. Until you identify that, you're just moving forth. So what's your life design? Go back to your life design and make sure that your life design is defined by your achievements of the future. Does this make sense, guys, to you?
Totally.
Okay, so now I want you to write down 3 things you can do this week to align yourself.
Wow.
3 things that you can do this week to align yourself. Did you guys hear that?
Like on
She,
point.
she built herself a ritual that makes her feel on top of her shit. How many of you have rituals like that?
Ritual would not.
All I'm doing now is I'm shifting what's pain and pleasure for you. If it's pleasurable for you to work out, even if it's 10 minutes, you will do it every day because you've attached pleasure. You won't do something every day if it's painful. Oh, I gotta go to the gym. You gotta own it. You dois avoir du plaisir. Okay. Remember, when you're not doing what you need to do every day, you're throwing away your dreams. It means nothing to me. It's garbage.
Erase it.